Revamped Wrestling, bringing you videos on all wrestling, reviews, recaps, and music video simulations. Like, comment, and subscribe.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the All-Star Wrestling Women's World Championship!
As we get started here, let me remind everybody that the title is on the line here tonight.
Yeah, but that's just a mere formality. The way I see it, there's no way we crown a new champion tonight. She says she's the top woman in the division. Tonight is her chance to prove it.
As a reminder, the title is on the line here in this match.
And the champ is certainly going to have an uphill battle, that's for sure. You have to wonder if this is the last night she carries that title to the ring.
Anytime this title is defended, it's a big fight feel. You'll have to forgive me for the lack of information on this title, but I have heard that it's highly coveted.
Well, my sources sent me a VHS tape with this title's greatest matches, and there were some all-time classics.
Really?
Hey, can I borrow that tape, Corey? Absolutely not, Saxon. I'd be doing a disservice to my sources.
Clubbing away with forearm after forearm. Look at these crossface.
Uh-oh, she has trouble coming. Not going to be easy to get out of this.
The anchor submission, and she managed to find a way out.
Wow. Just like that. She turned it around. Trap the arm into the neck breaker.
Smart, attacking the arm. Running senton.
Elbow drop. Knee crusher.
Just relentless. Locking after this.
Straight aggression rained down with unbelievable force, and this could be their path to the title. Pain must be shooting through that leg now. Oh, and it's reversed.
We got to cover, guys, for the championship.
Reach down, hand on the rope will force the break.
Measured stomp right to the gut. Oh, and then the chest as well.
She turns it around with the reversal. Oh, catapulted down on the opponent. The champion looking slightly rocked now.
This early in the match, she's got nothing to worry about.
Did you see that?
Fortune favors the bold. These risks. Saw it coming and avoided it.
The challenger taking some minor damage.
She knew what she was in for tonight. She came prepared for this.
Heading out, but needs to be aware of the referee's count. Producing a trampling. And she's tilting this fight in her favor.
She's throwing down hard and thriving. Taking the wind out with a stomp to the solar plexus.
Under the ropes and back into the ring.
Looking dazed, you can tell she has no idea what's coming to her. Looks like she wants to take things to the floor here. Oh my goodness! Stomping straight down on the arm. Oh my goodness! Kick to the spine.
Oh, she retaliates.
Finally, she's able to interrupt these attacks for a moment. She's starting to mount a rally, but is it too late? Boom! Oh man, meeting the barricade.
German suplex. This is an all-out assault, and she is totally powerless right now.
Yeah, she's just continuously cut off at the pass here. Oh, what a kick. Oh, jeez. Nasty kick to the face.
The challenger really struggling to avoid major damage.
And now is the time to dig deep, to start tapping into your stamina reserves.
The champ with the cover. She breaks the count quick.
She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on.
Targeting the stomach to reverse that maneuver.
Pin drop! Muscling up their opponent. What a gut-wrench powerbomb. We might be moments away from crowning.
And that's it. The champion is defeated. Let's take another look at these women in action.
Here is your winner, and new All-Star Wrestling Women's World Champion, Willow.
And with this win, she can now call herself the champ.
Safe to say things did not go to plan here tonight.